Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will learn how to add and style beautiful images in your projects. Before starting the tutorial, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel for amazing tutorials like this. Okay, now let's start. Just open a blank document to practice. I have opened this Instagram post document. Now go to the Elements section and click on Photos. Here you will see a lot of photos provided for users. You can find any type of photo here, and you can even search for a photo or simply scroll down. To get a photo on your canvas, you just have to click on it and then it will appear here. On the top menu bar, you will see some options for a photo. The first is Edit Photo. Let me click on it. A new sidebar will open here. To edit the photo, you have options like Effects, Adjust and Crop. By just clicking on it, you can easily remove your image's background. This is such an amazing tool in Canva. It will remove the background very perfectly. The next is Magic Eraser. If you want to remove something from your image, you can do it easily. It will remove that part of image easily. It's just like the clone stamp tool in Photoshop as we use there. The next is an even more amazing and interesting tool. If you want to expand your image, it will automatically extend the background of a picture to fill in any blank areas. Just like this, you can move the object of your picture from one place to another. Also, this tool is for text. Here you will see a lot of filters. There are special effects for your photos. They let you quickly change the look and feel of your images with just a click or two. Whether you want to add warmth, enhance colors, or give your photos a vintage vibe, Canvas filters make it easy to make your pictures pop. And here you will find effects like blur effects, shadows, and a lot more. Alright, the next option is flip. You can flip your images in both ways, vertically and horizontally. From this button, you will get some of your images information. Canva offers a variety of border styles to frame your designs or photos. You can choose from classic options like solid lines or get creative with decorative borders like doodles or patterns. You can customize the border size and color as well. Borders help you design and stand out and add a finishing touch to your work. The next option is my favorite and most amazing, Canva animations. You can add movement effects like fading, sliding or zooming to your images. This adds interest to your designs, making them more engaging for your audience. Okay, the position tool allows you to precisely move and align elements within your design. You can adjust the position of your text, images, or other elements by dragging them around the canvas or using the alignment options provided. This helps you create visually pleasing layouts and arrangements for your designs. Also, you can make your images transparent. Now let me show you some frames in which you can set your images. Just go to the element section and type frames here. From the frames option, you will get all the frames. Just click it and you will get it here. Now you can set your images in it. And that's it for today's tutorial on adding and styling images in Canva. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one. Thank you.